Well, it says it's enormously funny. How bad can it be? You lied to me! You're a piece of shit!
What did I do?
You tricked me, took advantage of my weakness, it's true!
I thought it would have helped.
Like hell, you motherfucker! You were no good at lying! No time to find puss at the puss in you! Ah! Give me a second. Believe me, there are a lot more scarier shit in this movie than what you just saw. Fuck you! The Cat in the Hat. As usual, I'm Dcinemas, and I've watched this movie 3 times. Oh great, yeah, thank you DreamWorks for putting our freaking hopes up. We first begin with a rhyming narrator. Don't we all?
One about a mom and 2 kids and a house and a hat that, oddly enough, was worn by a cat.
Dan arrived in what looks like an extension of Barbie's Playhouse.
First, I'd like to welcome aboard our newest member of the Humberflube family.
Hey look, it's Ken! And a grown-up alfalfa!
Mr. Humberflube, I wanted to thank you.
Well, the Cat in the Hat hasn't even arrived yet. We already have our first cartoon.
Joan, if your house is as messy as last time, you're fired!
Uh-oh. I see where this is going. Oh man, I'd be getting my ass beat.
You are about to witness the third most spectacular stunt ever performed under this roof!
Okay, I've had quite the imagination as a kid and have done some stupid shit, but that is just...
Relax, I'll put everything back.
disturbing.
Hey Mom, what's up?
Yep, definitely an ass whooping.
This was all Sally's fault.
Oh, really? And how exactly was it Sally's fault?
Sibling rivalry bullshit?
Mom's throwing a very important party, I said, but he went right ahead and wrecked the house and let Nevins get away. I hope you're going to ground him.
Yep, sibling rivalry bullshit.
Knock, knock. Someone lose a dog?
And who the hell is this asshole?
You are a saint.
And here I thought you were only dating me for my good looks.
Let me take 3 guesses. 1, he's not a good guy. 2, he's not what he seems to be. And 3, he's after the poontang.
Your neighbor's dating your mom, but hey son, come here. I don't like you either, but I'm gonna marry your mom.
Ding, 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 ding. Congratulations.
What did I win?
Nothing.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime proposition, and you must act now. The Colonel Wilhelm Military Academy for Troubled Youth is what we call in the sales game a win-win scenario.
See, I know he's not a good kid, but you are an undermining douchebag.
I'm running late. Thanks for babysitting on such short notice. And absolutely no one sets foot in the living room or else.
I never felt like I was on such a set before.
Or else what? You're gonna do what Larry said and send me to military school?
I wish I could trust you.
I wish I had a different mom.
Well, sometimes I wish the same thing.
Holy shit, where is the love in this home? And don't tell me there is none or I'll punch you in the throat!
With no fun to have, they could just stare out the window or perhaps get a nap in and hope that anything might happen.
Yeah, me too. Get on with it!
Should have seen the look on your face. It was like you saw a monster.
Yeah, baby. A monster? Where?
No! Just no! What the fuck?
That could have gone better.
It looks like a bum's ball sack! Fuck it. I'm sure he's gonna break the fourth wall again anyway.
I'm a super fundiferous feline who's here to make sure that you're turpentine. I got nothing. I'm not so good with the rhyming. Not really.
Huh. Not funny and can't rhyme. Makes me wonder why I even wasted my time.
Where did you come from?
When a mommy cat and a daddy cat love each other very much.
No. Please, just no.
Humana, 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 humana. Who is this?
That's my mom.
Hey, you hear that? If you listen very closely, you can hear Seuss rolling in his grave.
Let's see what the old phenometer has to say. Listen, kid. You can tap it with a hammer. It ain't gonna change.
You know, originally I said that joke got a little bit of a giggle out of me. But after watching it 3 times, I just... Nah. Only 26 minutes and 30 seconds into this movie. And I'm already on the 3rd page of the script. I'm in trouble.
Stop this right now!
Who said that?
Me! Remember the fish?
No, I don't. Because you never showed up until now. Oh God. No matter how many times I watch this movie, I can't get used to that.
Mom says we're not allowed in the living room today or else.
And she's right. Let's take a look under the hood with my jack. Sorry.
Oh Jesus Christ.
Down, Chipper! Bring me, would you?
The fuck is happening? The one question that keeps popping up in my head. Who the fuck is this bum?
Instantly make cupcakes out of anything that you have. Did you say anything? Anything. Anything. I'll get you, and I'll look like a bloody accident. Laser up. I mean it. Son of a bitch!
Jesus, you can really hear it.
You need to clean this mess up pronto. Stop! That's monstrous!
Why didn't Cat just magic up a rag? And don't tell me he can or I'll punch you in the fucking throat.
Meet thing 2 and thing 1!
Oh God, kill him with fire!
He's coming!
Does this movie believe I have ADD? Again, the fuck is happening?
Sally, Kojak, that's nothing compared to what's gonna happen if we don't lock this crate. It's already leaking.
Then, Cat, I must ask, why did you insist to sit on your ass, you stupid bitch?
Yeah! What do you want now? Reboot.
Oh my fucking God. I knew it. He's a freaking bum.
TV? Well, I'm sure I made a payment. If it's about that bounce check, here, let me give you a credit card.
Get a job!
I'll get the dog. I'll be right over.
You know, I just can't imagine a director telling someone, okay, here's what I want you to do. I want you to take your finger, stick it into your belly button, and then stick your tongue out like this. I just can't.
Time to die.
Scared him away!
dirty hoe.
Rolling.
I'm sorry, baby. I love you.
Rolling.
Come on, cat.
Rolling.
Step out of my way.
Oh, sweet Jesus.
Just called to check on the kids. Are they okay?
Those aren't children.
Please stop showing them. For the love of God. I can't take much more of this. I just realized I haven't been going over any of the story. Not that I did in my last 2 reviews. But basically, Mom will get fired if the house is a mess. The house becomes a mess. And now the kids have to get the dog before the house becomes more of a mess. Why? Because there's some fucking crate that those fucking monsters came out of. Which will make the mother of all messes, as they put it in the movie.
Oh! Oh! I can't believe you whizzed on my taco!
Where's the brake?
I'll get them! I think there's something wrong with your brakes.
You just keep making everything worse, don't you?
Come on!
Come back here!
It's their freaking dog, jackass!
It's our freaking dog, jackass!
Why is everyone wearing Cat's hat? In fact, where is that? Yeah, fuck it, just run on past. Wait, Paris fucking Hilton? Screw it, just the hell was that?
So the race was on to get back home first.
Oh good, the narrator is back.
Not so fast, you little maggots!
How the hell did you get there so fast?
You're a giant!
Well, we just killed a man.
We're going to ride, Mrs. Quan.
Oh yeah! Hop on!
That's what he said.
This is amazing! It's like a ride in an amusement park!
Universal Studios! Cha-ching!
You know what? I take back what I said about Bulma in my Dragon Ball Evolution review. This is fucking shameful.
Cha-ching!
Cat! Help them!
I did it! Okay, we did it.
You did nothing! You piece of trash!
You had your real hat this whole time?
Yep. I planned the whole day.
All of it?
Yep.
But it turns out, Cat had the whole day planned out. He planned to make a mess and planned to put us all through stress!
This was my fault. I'll take the blame.
I'm not going upstairs. I'm staying with you.
Of course. Now we clean. The only reason why things are going better now is because the kids have learned their lesson. Congratulations! They learned to not fuck with giant cats! Or is that just me?
Lawrence, what happened to you?
They happened to me. Your demonic children.
No, you happened to you. Now you're a mess. Get out of here.
So what did you kids do today, huh?
Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?
And everything turned out alright, I guess. The party went on, they all had fun, and they even ate them shitty fucking cupcakes.
The family was whole, all thanks to the cat, who was dashing and charming, no doubt about that.
You know, if I wanted to see a scene like that, I'd pull the fucking Beetlejuice out my ass and watch that. Oh wait.
What do you say we go on vacation? How about Hawaii? I like Hawaii.
Jesus. This movie is really bad. The kids give stale performances throughout the entire movie. They completely modernized the original story and added a ton of sexual innuendos and adulterated jokes that just stain its reputation. I barely ever read The Cat in the Hat. I was more of the Grinch guy, but even then as a kid I wasn't a big Seuss fan myself. So the fact that the movie couldn't even cater to me in any way, shape, or form just shows how much it fails entirely as a movie. Seuss, forgive me for what I've done. It's alright, my boy. I don't blame you. Jesus? No, Delio. It's me, Seuss. It's happened. I've gone completely crazy. Yeah, maybe. But to continue. I don't blame you. I blame those who made this load of poop. Okay. Do you always rhyme? No, I just wanted to make up for the lack thereof in this film. Okay. On the bright side, if there wasn't any more rhyming, I'd probably not just be crazy, but absolutely insane. Well, I'm off to haunt the creators of the other crappy movies. Sure thing, Seuss. Thank you. Give them hell. Oh, I will. Oh, I will. Farewell. What is there to do? What more is there to be done? Well, let's make a deal. The first movie that pops up on my screen will be the next one that I review. Exterminator! No. Just no. I'm not ready.
Deployment system, Carl. As soon as we clear the atmosphere, you just throw it. Right. Prepare to leave the atmosphere!
I got one! I got a good one! It's got a good one! Thank you, Seuss! Or Jesus, or whatever the fuck I'm supposed to be thinking. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Just thank you.